4 most helpful free AI tools. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent months, and with it, the development of several AI tools that can assist you in performing various tasks. From generating content to automating processes, these tools have the potential to save time and resources while reducing human error. In today's video, we will explore the 4 most helpful free AI tools that can help you boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. Whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, or even a student, these tools can help you achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively. So keep watching till the end, because these tools are absolutely mind-blowing. Without further delay, let's get started. The first tool that we will be looking at today is Lalal.ai. Lalal.ai is an innovative music source separation solution powered by artificial intelligence. The tool is designed to provide a seamless and efficient stem extraction experience. With its cutting-edge features, removing vocals, drums, bass guitar, instrumentals, and piano tracks from songs becomes effortless and accurate without compromising quality. Ideal for musicians, singers, DJs, creative professionals, producers, and music enthusiasts, Lalal.ai empowers users to recreate tracks by isolating specific elements or removing unwanted components from different songs. Lalal.ai leverages state-of-the-art technologies, including AI and machine learning (ML), to deliver a high-end stem-splitting tool. This ensures that users can obtain smooth vocal and instrumental tracks in their preferred audio format. Developers have trained Lalal.ai's neural network using thousands of studio-quality songs over several months. With an extensive 20-terabyte training dataset, the tool achieves exceptional precision. Moreover, its advanced AI continues to improve with each operation, providing users with refined results. Lalal.ai employs ML algorithms that quickly and accurately identify songs and separate backtracks and vocals from various audio files, such as movies, videos, songs, or podcasts. While the underlying technology behind Lalal.ai may seem complex, the tool itself is designed to be user-friendly, catering to individuals with basic computer skills. Its intuitive interface offers simple steps to remove vocals or instrument sounds from any song, making the process hassle-free. Lalal.ai also enhances usability with its drag-and-drop feature, allowing users to easily select and drop files for processing. Alternatively, you can opt to choose a file from their device, ensuring effortless input. Not just that, extracting vocals or instrumental tracks using Lalal.ai is remarkably fast, requiring only a few straightforward steps. Users can achieve this without experiencing sound distortion or phase differences in the resulting tracks. The tool delivers high-quality audio that can be used in various contexts. The tool also supports multiple file formats, including MP3, MP4, AAC, and AIFF. It's worth noting that the tool accommodates both audio and video files, further expanding its versatility. Additionally, users can conveniently download their processed tracks from a fast processing queue. Lalal.ai ensures that the extracted audio tracks maintain the same file format and quality as the input file. This is crucial, as some other AI-powered audio editors struggle to recognize different file types, leading to functional issues. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an advanced artificial intelligence writing tool powered by machine learning. Leveraging OpenAI's powerful GPT-3 large language model, Copy.ai is designed to assist users in generating a wide range of content, such as blog topics, emails, social media posts, web copy, and more. It offers a comprehensive set of tools and writing frameworks to support the copywriting process. With support for over 25 languages, Copy.ai is an excellent choice for beginners looking to explore the capabilities of generative AI. One of the standout features of Copy.ai is its user-friendly nature. Its simple interface and excellent tools make it one of the most accessible generative AI tools available. Creating an account on Copy AI is quite simple. Simply go to their website and sign up to get started. Copy AI offers a free account for individual users. If you wish to create an account for your team, you can add up to 5 users for a monthly fee of $36. Upgrading to a paid version unlocks additional features, including priority email support, support for more than 29 languages, and access to the Blog Wizard tool. Using Copy AI is very simple, thanks to its intuitive interface. Even if you are new to AI, you will easily understand the features available on the platform. The tool provides an advanced text editor that allows users to edit and customize generated content according to their needs. Copy AI boasts an impressive collection of over 90 content templates and tools, surpassing many other AI writing tools. It excels at generating sales copy, digital ads, e-commerce product descriptions, and more. Additionally, it can be used as a freestyle copywriting tool to create long-form content and blog posts. What sets it apart from other AI writing tools is the ability to provide extra details to help the system better understand your requirements. By using the Freestyle tool, you can define the content type, include key points, and choose a specific writing tone. Another valuable application of Copy AI is performing competitor analysis, which allows you to gain insights into your competitors' strategies and adjust your approach accordingly. Leonardo.ai. Leonardo AI is a new platform that uses AI to help you create captivating images and artwork, especially for games. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, and you can use it for free with 150 tokens, which means you can generate up to 150 images every day without any cost. This allows you to explore your artistic skills without worrying about money. The platform offers flexible and affordable options by letting you customize the cost of generating images based on quality and quantity. It's a great solution for digital artists who want to create stunning visuals without breaking the bank. Unlike other AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI doesn't require much guidance to produce amazing results. With just a few tweaks to your prompts, you can easily generate a series of matching images in a consistent style. This helps you maintain a unified visual look throughout your game or project. Leonardo AI provides various models that you can use as a starting point to create a wide range of art assets. These models, whether provided by the platform, developed by the community, or customized to your liking, serve as the foundation for crafting high-quality artwork. The platform also equips you with tools to fine-tune your assets according to your preferences. You can make adjustments and enhancements effortlessly, whether you need to zoom out an image, remove the background, or increase the resolution. Leonardo AI has the features you need to perfect your creations. These tools give you the power to pay attention to every detail and optimize your assets, ensuring they meet your specific requirements with ease. JadBio. JadBio is a cloud-based AutoML platform for life science professionals. It uses machine learning to automate the process of building and deploying predictive models, making it possible for scientists and researchers with no prior data science experience to quickly and easily analyze their data and make new discoveries. JadBio can handle a wide variety of data types, including genomics, transcriptomics, metagenomics, proteomics, metabolomics, clinical data, and medical images. It can also be used to predict a variety of outcomes, such as patient survival, disease progression, and drug response. One of the key features of JadBio is its ability to identify accurate predictive models that use as few biomarkers as possible. This is important for life science professionals who are often working with limited data sets. JadBio's feature selection algorithms can help identify the most important biomarkers, which can lead to more accurate and interpretable models. Another key feature of JadBio is its ability to deploy models in production. Once a model has been trained, JadBio can make it available to other users through a web-based interface. This allows scientists and researchers to share their findings with others and collaborate on new projects. JadBio is a powerful tool that can help life science professionals to make better decisions and improve patient outcomes. It is easy to use, affordable, and scalable, making it a valuable resource for any research lab. The development of AI tools has revolutionized the way we work and create content. Each tool on this list can help you to streamline your workflow, improve your content quality, and save time and resources. As AI continues to progress, we can expect to see even more innovative tools that will change the way we work and create. While AI may never replace human creativity and ingenuity, it can certainly enhance and augment our abilities. So, why not give these tools a try and see how they can help you achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively? And if you do, don't forget to share your experience with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to get alerted anytime we post amazing videos like this.